The cabin air filter in your 2023 Tesla Model 3 plays a crucial role in maintaining clean air inside your vehicle. This filter acts as a barrier, trapping dust, pollen, bacteria, and various pollutants that could otherwise enter through the HVAC system. When the filter becomes clogged over time, it can significantly impact your driving experience. You might notice reduced airflow from the vents, unpleasant musty odors developing inside the car, and a decrease in your heating and cooling system efficiency. Fortunately, replacing the cabin air filter in the 2023 Model 3 is straightforward, thanks to Tesla's updated single-panel access design. This makes it easy for owners to perform this maintenance themselves, ensuring continued clean air and optimal vehicle performance. The 2023 Model 3 introduces a redesigned glove box panel that makes accessing the cabin air filter much easier. Tesla has streamlined the process by using a single access panel located below the glove box. This update eliminates the need to remove the entire glove box, which was required in older Model 3 models. The single panel design saves time and simplifies the DIY replacement process. In addition to the improved access, the cabin air filter itself has been upgraded to a HEPA-grade filter with a MERV 13 Plus rating. This higher rating provides better filtration of particles, pollen, and pollutants, contributing to improved cabin air quality. To change your Tesla Model 3 cabin air filter, you'll need just a few simple tools. First, gather a replacement cabin air filter using Tesla part number 1DO73405-00A or an equivalent. You'll also need a Phillips screwdriver for any necessary fasteners. A plastic trim removal tool is essential to gently access the interior panels without scratching the surfaces. Optional gloves will keep your hands clean during the process. Remember, using genuine Tesla parts ensures proper fit and performance for your vehicle. Begin by parking your 2023 Tesla Model 3 on a level surface to ensure stability during the maintenance process. Next, turn off the ignition completely and engage park mode to safely disable all vehicle systems. Finally, open the glove box and carefully remove all contents to provide clear access to the filter compartment underneath. Now for step 2, accessing the filter compartment. First, locate the single access panel located just below the glove box in your Tesla Model 3. You'll need your plastic trim removal tool for this step. These specialized tools help you pry the panel without scratching the interior. Using the plastic trim tool, gently pry and remove the single access panel. The updated design for the 2023 Model 3 makes this step straightforward without requiring you to fully disassemble the glove box. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the panel. Work gently to avoid any scratches or cracks. Now carefully pull out the old cabin air filter. It is housed in a plastic frame. Note the direction of the airflow arrow on the old filter. It usually points towards the back of the vehicle. Insert the new filter, ensuring the arrow points in the same direction as the old filter. This ensures proper airflow. Reinstall the access panel by gently pressing it back into place until it clicks securely. Turn on your Tesla's HVAC system to test the airflow. Make sure the air is flowing properly and there are no unusual noises. You can reset any filter replacement alerts via the touchscreen. Tesla recommends replacing the cabin air filter every 2 years or 25,000 miles to maintain optimal air quality in your Model 3. However, check the filter sooner if you notice reduced airflow from the vents or detect musty odors in the cabin, as this could indicate clogging. Looking ahead, electric vehicles are trending towards self-monitoring cabin filters with AI-driven diagnostics that can alert you to replacement needs automatically. Tesla's future models may feature auto-cleaning filters using advanced technologies, reducing the need for manual replacements and further enhancing cabin air quality. Stay updated with Tesla's latest innovations for better vehicle maintenance.